Welcome into the era of AI. Hello and welcome. Welcome into this Etsy course update in which I'm going to show you how you can utilize Canva AI image generator to create awesome coloring pages. Now, inside of the course, we focused a bit on basically on Leonardo, on ChatGPT's DALL-E 3, on different models. In this particular lecture, we're going to focus on Canva's AI image generator and put it to the test. Though I did put it to the test many times, I think it succeeded. It's a really, really good tool. It's brilliant. And you can see examples of coloring pages before you. So now let's go ahead and generate some coloring pages, shall we? So here we are in Canva. I'm just going to go and click create a design. And I'm going to go for a custom size of 8.5 inches by 8.5 inches, since that's the friendly size for coloring pages, though you might want to go with 8.5 by 11 inches. That's also a very user-friendly coloring page size, but I'm just gonna stay with 8.5 by 8.5. It's square resolution. Then you can come over here and name this. So you can name it Dinosaur or coloring pages. I could say coloring pages. And here, in terms of Canva, you need to click Elements. And once you do click Elements, here, if you click Generate Your Own, you will be able to generate an image. I'm going to go with Photo. Pick the square resolution. Obviously, there is more styles here, so you can play back and forth with different styles. And then here, you can just come and then write your prompt. So in my prompt, I'm just going to say black and white pencil illustration of a Giganotosaurus. I think this is how it's written. Otherwise, I can just search it on the web. It's a dinosaur, actually, for those of you that don't know what this is. I actually knew the Giganotosaurus from the movie which is the Jurassic Park. I only watched I watched the trailer, and you can already see here some people are already generating Giganotosaurus coloring pages, and some of them are on Pinterest. Let me see if some figure on Etsy. Not much. I don't think this is selling on Etsy. Maybe Vecteezy and some of the other platforms as well, but not Etsy for now. Maybe you could be the first. But hey, let me just put the title. Giganotosaurus. Okay. So here, I'm going to go and click Generate Image. I've chosen the preset as Photo, and right now it's working towards generating the image for us, which is going to be a Giganotosaurus coloring illustration. So here we go. This is literally a real Giganotosaurus. So I can go ahead and click on this one, for example. It will add. Then let's move to another one. Then let's add another page. And let's add another one to that page. And by the way, one thing I would like to make, a point I'd like to make is you're generating 4 images at a time, so make sure that you use all of them. Now you can set the image to the background. I think this image is not really cool because he has multiple eyes and that doesn't sound comfortable. This one also is not really cool because he has multiple hands. Yeah, so that's not really a cool one. Obviously, this one is good because it's not showing some other features. And this one is also good because it's only showing his hands, even though there's quite a defect here, but not bad. It's not going to take away from the quality. And of course, if you want to go back, you can go back and you can generate more images. So if I go to photos here, I can say black and white pencil cartoon coloring illustration of a triceratops, right? And I can just click generate. And right now, instead of just generating a dinosaur coloring page, it's going to generate a bunch of triceratops coloring pages. Here we go. These are quite cartoonish, I might say. Though you don't really have to add the keyword cartoon here, because if you notice, if you just go to here, you can pick from these styles that they have, and some of them are anime-like. Let's try one of them as a matter of fact. So let's go ahead and try maybe black and white pencil illustration of a huge, fierce T-Rex. And here I'm going to pick the anime style, and I'm going to generate, in which case it's going to go and proceed. At the same time, the Triceratops is not really bad. It's a really good coloring page that you can use, but let's see what it does when you change the styles, and it does a pretty good job, trust me. You know, this is a very awesome one that you can create. You know, it's anime-like, more like anime. And we all know how kids love anime, and so you might be interested to introduce them to such images in your book. And you can see here that some of these images are really good. Except for, you know, sometimes they might have things such as multiple legs, but you can just actually, you know, deal with that. Just leave it as is. And you can see that this is literally great. You know, these are just beautiful coloring illustrations. You can try different things as well. So you can try a hero character, you know, such as a powerful hero character coloring page. But pretty much since we're about coloring pages for kids, for books, these are the types. And you can see that, you know, it's pretty good. Of course, you have to spend some time to find the best prompt, but it's pretty good. So that is it for this video. I will see you in our next video.